doing a leak repair on this unit. Got the leak right there on that discharge elbow coming out of the compressor, and it looks like it's been leaking for a while. Look at all this oil right here, pretty messy. So right now 410A system, I'm recovering up the charge. Once I get that, bring up some nitrogen, bring up the torches, and we'll go ahead and replace that elbow, not weld it up. Looks like they tried welding it up before and it just popped again, so we'll be replacing that elbow. Got all the charge out of the system. I've got some nitro hooked up, and we're bleeding that in through the high side and releasing out through this low side service line right there. So real important when you're welding on a system, you don't want to get any of that soot that builds up in the system while you're welding. That oxidation, there it is, oxidation, because that'll get trapped somewhere in the line, maybe in that filter dryer or somewhere like in the TXV down at the evaporator. Let's go ahead and get set up, start welding. Let's get in. Got the brand new 90 off the discharge line and filter dryer. So let's go in through the high side. Alright, and I pay attention to the low side right there. Make sure that we don't have a restriction either at the filter dryer, anywhere up here, or at the TXV. And I like to do it this way because I'd hate to have to put it on a vacuum, charge it up, and try to do a startup and realize I have a restriction. So if you float the nitrogen in through the high side and see if you're getting it back on the low side, have this closed off, you'll see if you have a restriction or not. So just a little tip. Got the system on a vacuum. It's about a 7.5-ton system, and repaired the refrigeration leak I had inside there. So it's gonna take about a good while to get this system to about 500 microns where I want to go below. So got that covered up. We'll let it sit, grab some lunch, and come back, finish up. Got it charging up right now. Got 410A hooked up, it's sipping, and this is what my pressures look like so far. About 5 minutes in, at about 120 over 370. Line temperature is about 77, and my saturation is close to about 89. What is that about? Give or take 12. Is that cool? All right, so just keep our eyes on it. I had to replace out that contactor. Had some pitted contacts. Eventually those are gonna weld, so I figure I'd go ahead. Now's a good time to replace it. And that's pretty much it. It's a wrap. Not too bad. We'll cover it up, replace the fitting, pull down to about a little under 500 microns. And that's about it. Questions, comments, easy money. Another day.